let's dig this polytunnel over. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today's mission is to start clearing this polytunnel and getting it dug over. Well, we've cleared out most of the rubbish and took loads and loads to the tip. It's near enough completely empty now. But today's job is to start taking up the flooring and get it dug over. This flooring's been down 16 years and there's going to be years worth of bindweed under there, and there's holes under the ground, so there might be rat nests or mice nests, so I'm not looking forward to it. But I'm going to keep you up to date with what it looks like and how well we're getting on with it, and show you the ups, the downs of digging this polytunnel over to get it all back level again. So yeah, let's get this flooring up. So this is the polytunnel, and as you can see, we've still got a bit of rubbish to take to the tip, but not much left now. But yeah, we've got to get up all this flooring as it's all uneven now after 16 years, and yeah, try and tidy it up and get some of the bindweed root out down the sides. All the bindweed grows pretty well, so we need to get all that rooting out and hopefully get it all back in shape. But yeah, I'm definitely not looking forward to taking this flooring up and seeing what's underneath it all, but I'll show you what's underneath it as we go along. So yeah, let's get it up. Well, I've got the first half of the flooring up and it's not too bad as I thought it would be. I thought the bindweed would be a lot worse than what it actually is. It looks like the bindweed's just around the top of the polytunnel on the top. But yeah, I found one little mouse hole or rat hole down here. Look, little trail. There's a little blyther. But yeah, we need to get all this bindweed out and get it all levelled back out again. But we've got this nice little pickaxe, what we're going to use, which will come in very handy for breaking up the soil. But we don't want to use that until we've got the bindweed out, because we don't want to chop the bindweed into thousands of pieces and get more bindweed growing. So we need to get it all dug out manually. But yeah, let's crack on. Well, that's half of the polytunnel of this first half that we've got done. But yeah, it's so hard work. Wow. It will like concrete, some of it. But good job we've got this little pickaxe tool to help break it up. But obviously we're going to use this wolf garden tool afterwards and chop it all up, and then use this rake to level it out a bit to make it a bit better. Obviously we won't get it much level because it's on a slant, but it'll be a lot better than what it was. That's how much bindweed we've got out of the first bit, but obviously there's loads of bindweed on this side, so we're going to fill a load more up and get that sorted. And there we are, we've got to the last bit now. We've got to the worst bit. Why is it that you leave the worst bit till the end? Who else does the same? They always do the easy bit to start off with and then get to the worst bit and think, no, why am I doing this? But it'll all work out well in the end. That's what I'm saying to myself anyway. So yeah, let's get this last bit out. And there we are. That's all cleared now. And another bucket full of bindweed. We just need to take the bricks out, and then we're going to level it out, rake it over, and use our wolf garden tool to break it all up, which will make it a lot better, and then get out any more roots that we can. So yeah, I'm absolutely shattered already. I'm glad I broke it up into hot days, like this first half today, and then the other half tomorrow. But yeah, let's get all that out, and let's get ready to level it all. So this is the tool that I'm going to be using to break all the soil up before I rake it and level it out. This is a great tool. Costs about £50 for the head. Obviously you buy the handle separate, but that costs about £50. Yes, it's a lot of money, but it is a fantastic tool and well worth it. I use this on all my beds when I'm breaking them all up after I've dug them over, for weeding and keeping on top of the weeds as well. Obviously it's got a hoe on that side, so you can do it on this side like that, and it'll hoe it at the same time as breaking it up. So yeah, let's put this piece into action and let's get it all broke up. Wow, this is a hard job, what we have planned today. I've certainly built up for it this week, but I didn't realise how hard it's going to be, but I'm happy with how well it's all coming on. So let's have a look at it now that we've used the wolf garden tool over it. So yeah, we've broken it all up a lot better and crumbled it up, but now we just need to rake it over and try and get rid of some of that plastic what's all broken up. But yeah, let's get it all raked over now and ready for the black membrane to go down next week. And there we have it, all dug over, all raked over and ready for the black membrane to go on next week. Absolutely shattered, but it's been worth it. We've got it all done, we've got all the bindweed out, and it's looking absolutely tons more better than it was before. So yeah, tomorrow's job, doing the second half. Do I want to actually do it? Nope, but we need to get it done and completed, and then once that's done, that's a job ticked off. So thank you for watching today's video. As you can tell, I'm absolutely drenched from the hard work down here. Absolutely, it shows I put the effort in, that certainly is for sure. But yeah, wow, it's been a hard job today, but we succeeded, and tomorrow we come and we finish off this mission that we have started. But yeah, thank you for watching everyone. Make sure you drop us a follow if you're not following us already to stay up to date with all our videos, tips and advice. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.